What's up, family? Day 446 of trading, day 446. And got a little bit here with it. There you go. See your boy. I'm actually in New York, man. Taking care of a few things out here. Go ahead and hide this floating panel. Sorry about that. Hide floating panel. Okay. Once again, day 446 of trading, day 446. Today's gain negative 568.04. Of course, this is for the YouTube channel. Take a little bit more time and relax. Don't have to push it to, don't have to keep it under 3 minutes like TikTok and IG. If you want to go over there and see that the quickness, go over there. Swing traded tone over on both of those. Total assets of 15,404.82. I think it was higher the last time I took week. Last week. I don't remember what it was last week, but I'm sure it was higher in the middle of the week. I think I got up to like 17 and change, but it came down a couple the last couple of days. But as far as the options account is up $54.50. Shares account is down $622.54. Let's take a look at the options account. Options account. So TTD by $80 strike price with a 2028 expiration gave us $2 today. $100 strike price with a 2027 expiration took back $142.50. The $80 strike price with a 2027 expiration broke even today. And then our good friend Beyond gave us $195 back with that December 17th, 27 expiration. Take a look at the shares account real quick. Shares account UNHG came down today, took back $295, still right around 70% profit. TSLL took back $327.54. We're negative 23, almost negative 24% there. I know this, you see the 70, almost 70%. You're like, yo, take that profit. Like, what are you doing? That's what people would do if they didn't know where it was going. I know where it's going, so there's no reason to take that profit. Same with TSLL. Most people, this is the human psychology, most people will be down 20, 30, almost 40%, and then they'll get up to about 5, 10% profit and then get out and take their profits. Why? Because they're scared that it's going to go back down and lose their profits. But when you know where it's going, there's no need to do any of that. No one needs to do any of that, especially Tesla. I mean, Tesla, my biggest mistake is that I didn't have enough money to average down. So, or else I'd probably already be in the profit. But I also know the structure of the market, so most likely it's going to come down even a little bit more, maybe to 411 on Tesla, maybe even close a gap, maybe it'll even come down to the 200 EMA, right at 400, and then go ahead and go back up for its fifth wave. Elliott waves. There's another wave coming. It's going to pull back. Where would this one pull back to? This is right at the 38% mark. Could come back down to 50. Most of the time, a wave four won't break the 50, so maybe the 200 comes up a little bit, maybe just wicks down. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But either way, I'm in it. I got shares. I'm going to stay in it until it hits my target, which for Tesla is 524, right at that 525 mark. And then I have another target at 546. See what happens when I get there. I probably will just keep it in there until my 546. I may take some profit at 525, sell some shares, leave some to run up, see if it gets to the 546. UNH is the other one I have a lot of shares in. Um, Once again, this will probably pull back a little bit more and then go up. Maybe even come back down to either this support level or maybe even 200, or the 200 EMA will come up, meet the support, and then it'll bounce off of that and then shoot on up. Take a look at the day chart. Let's go. My targets on UNH. Don't have them listed here, but I don't know, 450. 450 is going to be the first target I'm looking at. It'll probably bounce down from 450. So I'll try to see. I have 500 shares. I'll see if I'll take all the profit there or take half, then see if it goes up anymore. But I'll go ahead and see what my targets are when it gets to that 450 mark. We'll go from there. All right. There's really not, of course, you're still waiting for that overall market crash, which is coming. I think it's just going to be a small pullback. We're back nine points today on the SPY. May just come back down to this 20 EMA, like 723 ish, and then go ahead and bounce up, and then then is when I think the crash is going to come. But we'll see. We'll see. One thing that I don't want you guys to get caught up on are the actual numbers. You know what I mean? Like looking at this, even like UNHG, down 295 bucks today. So what? That's a normal little pullback. There's only 2.7%, 2.75% that pull back. That's nothing. Tesla pulled back almost 10%. That's a normal pullback. So that came back $327. So what? I'm not scared. I know where it's going. So it's all good. All good. But once again, as far as today is concerned, we're a market pullback $568.04, total assets of 15,482. And I am looking to most likely be 150 to 200% on UNHG when it's all said and done. And then TSLL 100%. So I'll be doubling my money on that. And then after that, we'll look at what else we need to get into. Maybe I'll get into some SPY puts or some SPXU, some shares, some bearish leverage ETF shares, and then ride that down. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the market's talking about when I get there. All right. If you want to learn, go ahead and hit me up. I'm probably going to be teaching the class in the next 2 weeks, four-week class, 1 week one class per week. 500 bucks. You make your 500 bucks, man. You've seen me go up and down, tell you where the market's going to go. Right now I'm just waiting on my targets to hit. No pressure, no pressure at all. So we'll learn how to do that and kind of just be relaxed and not worry about the ups and downs. Holla at me. I got you. All right. Today's Friday, May 15th. I'll let you know what happens on Monday. All right. One love.